Good afternoon, everybody. Yesterday, the latest Geforce game Ready driver came out, and the version number is 528.02. The latest driver, and it's supporting the RTX 4070 Ti. Wasn't supported, is now supported. It's a small update. It's for Warhammer 40,000, Dark Tide, F122, and they show you for the 4070 Ti, they show you a lot of graphs and they say this thing is very great. I know one thing, it's very expensive. So if you don't want to buy it, I know why. Okay, game ready for new DLSS free games. And new game supported by Geforce Experience. So DLSS 3 is already available in 17 games with another 33 games and apps on the way soon. There's a lot of controversy about DLSS 3. Yeah, it's too much AI, they say. I have to see it. I don't have a 40 card for the 40 series. I don't have it. I think I don't buy it. I am for a desktop card. I am going to AMD. So sorry for that. My laptop still uses a 3080. So that's why I stay in the green camp. And then we have new games supported by Geforce Experience optimal settings. And it's Divine Knockout, Ixion, Knights of Honor, Marvel's Midnight Suns, Need for Speed Unbound, Nobody, The Turnaround, Predecessor, Project Playtime, and the Callisto Protocol. Hey, I got the Callisto Protocol. I can make a video about it. So you can download it now when you need it, and when it's no good you can also turn back to the other driver. And there are some fixed issues. Portal RTX hang during resolution mode, and there is still some open issues. That's also important. Forza Horizon 4 may freeze after 15 or 30 minutes. Yeah, that's a piece of shit when you have that. And that's also monitor may briefly flicker on waking up. So that can happen. And what is fixed? DirectX 12 Shadowplay recordings may appear overexposed when Use HDR is enabled. Now, from me, I cannot even record with HDR on. So, when you want it, you can download it. It's free to grab. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much indeed.